This is the brand new Makita DX12 HEPA dust collection filter for the XGT rotary hammer system. The DX12 slots and snaps in place with absolute ease. It has a very secure and firm connection with absolutely zero wobble. Up front we have the nozzle, which has an adjustable depth via these clips. The depth is set by the first clip, which you can see here is limiting how far you can press the drill in. You can have further dampening by adjusting this clip here. On the front you can see this little dial here. This ratcheting dial helps to knock any dust off of the internal filters, which as you can see are removed very easily for cleaning or replacement. The DX12 is powered directly from the rotary hammer's battery, as you can see from these interface pins. This means there's no need for additional batteries or connection to mains power, allowing you to stay dust free anywhere. So if you want to pick up one of these for yourself, link will be in the description or available at tooled-up.com.